Brave friends stand tall. Imagine a school where kindness shines brighter than fear. What if one small act of courage could change everything? Join Alex, Mia, and Sam as they discover the power of standing together against bullying. A heartwarming story about bravery, friendship, and making a difference. It was a bright morning at Sunnyvale School. Alex, Mia, and Sam laughed as they walked to class. In the hallway, a boy named Ben looked sad. Tom, the school bully, was teasing him. Alex felt nervous. "Should we say something?" Mia whispered. Sam took a deep breath. "We should help. No one deserves this." They walked up to Ben. "Hey, let's go play together," Alex said kindly. Tom sneered, "Mind your own business," but they stood firm. Mia said, "It's not okay to be mean, Tom. We should all be friends." Other kids noticed and gathered. "Yeah, stop it," one of them said. Tom hesitated, then backed away. "Whatever," he muttered, leaving Ben alone. Ben smiled. "Thanks, guys. I didn't know what to do." They told their teacher, who helped Ben feel safe again. "Being brave together makes a big difference," Mia said, and they all agreed. Bullying. Hurting someone with words or actions repeatedly. Courage. Being brave even when it's scary. Empathy. Understanding and caring about how someone else feels. Bystander. A person who sees something happening but does nothing. Upstander. A person who stands up and helps someone in trouble. What was the main problem in the story? Ben was being bullied by Tom. What did Alex, Mia, and Sam do to help? They stood up for Ben and showed kindness. How did Tom react at first? He tried to ignore them, but he stopped when more kids spoke up. Why is it important to be an upstander? It helps stop bullying and makes others feel safe. What would you do if you saw someone being bullied? Stand up for them, tell a teacher, or be a kind friend. Thanks for watching. For more stories, scan our QR code.